for the past 1 month, sobrang dami nagdedebate. Alin ba talaga ang mas maganda sa dalawa? The DJI Osmo 360 or the Insta360 X5 guys? So ang ginawa ko, tinesting ko sila side by side. Sinama ko sila guys sa Shanghai trip ko for the past 2 weeks guys. Nakita ko, nalaman ko talaga kung alin ba talaga dito sa dalawa to guys yung pinakamaganda. So guys, ito na yung mga sample videos niya guys. Hindi ko muna i-reveal kung alin dito yung DJI at alin dito yung Insta360 guys. Pero sa tingin niyo guys, pwede niyo nang i-guess right now kung alin ba dito sa tingin mo yung DJI 360 o yung Insta360 in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 guys. So actually guys, ito po yung DJI 360 and ito po yung Insta360 guys. Makikita ninyo actually, hindi sa pagiging bias talagang tinesting ko talaga sila guys side by side. For me, lamang talaga si DJI 360 in terms of camera and quality footage. Bakit guys? Number 1 guys, yung resolution nito guys both shoots at 8K footage guys, but the DJI Osmo 360 can shoot at 50 FPS at DLUG M 10-bit colors. Ibig sabihin guys, you have more room, you can shoot at flat profile, meaning pwede mong mas i-color grade, mas i-adjust yung brightness depende kahit madilim yung lugar guys. So ibig sabihin, mas panalo si DJI Osmo 360 sa low light capabilities. Number 1 guys, yung sensor neto. So yung sensor ng Insta360 guys is ganito po ang itsura niya at yung sensor po ng DJI Osmo 360 is ganito po yung itsura niya. So hindi siya dahil mas malaki yung square na to guys, pero dahil ang nagagamit lang po sensor guys ng camera is yung bilog lang. Yan, ganyan po siya. And as you can see here guys, dito sa Osmo 360 guys, mas maraming ratio guys ng sensor yung nagagamit niya, which means mas maraming light intake, mas maraming detail ang nakukuha ng camera mo, nare-register niya guys sa memory mo. Therefore, it will give you better quality of picture. Unlike here sa Insta360 guys, na maraming part na hindi po nagagamit na dead spaces guys. Kaya mas maganda po at ito yung tinatawag ni DJI na square sensor or actually in the future what we call open gate sensors, which is actually the future of a lot of mirrorless camera. For me, the DJI Osmo wins in terms of like video, I think price as well, inclusions, DJI ecosystem. But ikaw, alam mo mas nagustuhan mo, i-comment mo dyan below at pag-usapan natin guys sa mga susunod na video. So yun lang, and I hope natulungan ko kayo kung ano ba talagang bibili mo sa dalawa, DJI or Insta360. See you on the next video. Peace out.